Just connected CB radio to this antenna. This antenna above the ground around 7 meters for 27 MHz. Repeater is connected to this antenna. This radio is connected to the external antenna, and this model for the radio has echo repeater. The same radio without echo repeater I'm going to take with me and make a range test. Yeah, currently the noise floor is really high at my place where the repeater is located. Let's check the repeater. Testing, audio.
Testing, audio.
All is working. Let's go. Let's go to the first point. The first point, distance between two radios around 2.8 kilometers. Let's make a test with the long antenna flex with the wire around 1.5 meters connected to the ground of the antenna. Distance around 2.8 kilometers. Test, audio.
Audio.
All is working pretty good. Let's go to the next point. The distance between two radios will be around 3.5 kilometers. The next point, distance around 3.5 kilometers. The long antenna with the wire. Testing, audio, testing.
Testing, audio, testing.
All is working good. Let's go to the next point. Let's go to the next point. The distance around 4.5 kilometers. 4.5 kilometers distance between this radio and second radio. Testing, audio. All is working. Let's go to the next point. Let's go to the next point. The next point around 6 kilometers. Testing, audio. All is working pretty good. Let's go to the next point. Let's go to the next point. The next point. Testing, audio, testing. Nothing. I think the test was failed because I have a high noise floor at the place where the repeater is located. But anyway, on the first several points I had a good signal. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.